What's up guys, Kojira Racing here with another awesome video. In this video, I'm gonna be installing the third brake light on my 2016 Subaru WRX. Coming up. Ooh. So this install should be really easy, pretty simple. It should take no more than 10 minutes to install. So I'm going to show you step by step how to install the third brake light on the Subaru WRX. We got all my car here. Subaru, Lexus, and the 335i. So yeah, let's go straight to the video. Right. So first thing you want to do, you want to remove these clamps, I would say. You got two, and then you can pull this out a little bit so you can have space to remove this cover. Then you want to go on the front, start removing this one here, another one here, and this should come right up. Once you do that, you're gonna go on this side and start removing also the clips that is gonna have on the back. Actually, you got like 3 of them, so you can be able to fold this to this way, and you have space to put all the wire and everything. So let's start. Of course, guys, the day I'm gonna do the install, it start raining. It's pouring outside right now. But don't go nowhere, because tomorrow, or if the rain stops before I have to go to work, I'm gonna finish it. So don't go nowhere, because for you it's gonna be like this, right? So see you when the rain stops. What's up guys, we are back on the install of the third brake light. I started a couple of days ago, and it started raining, and then it rains and it rains, and now today it's like freezing cold. It's like 40 degrees outside, and the other day was like 80. So this weather is freaking crazy, guys. But today we're gonna finish the install. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. And I gotta show you something, guys. Look what I got in the mail. Bam! New fog light for the Subaru. They look so nice in yellow. So if you haven't done it already, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because another install video is coming up, and a lot of content is coming for the 335i right there. You can see it. And for the Subaru that we are working on right now. So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because a lot of content is coming up. And if you like this video so far, please hit that like button. It helps me a lot, so guys. So yeah, so let's keep doing the install. Alright guys, to take this part out, this one, it's gonna be like this, right? So you go underneath, take out the 4 clips that goes one here, and one here, so you can move the bumper. Then you go on the back, right? Let me see if I can show you. Alright, so you go on the back and get on the top and push it down and forward on both sides, and you're just gonna fall out. Now we got the space for the brackets. Alright guys, so far I installed the bracket for the third brake light. Yeah, I know I got a zip tie over there because I'm so dumb that I broke my bolt. And there's a bunch of leaf. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste my time looking for that bolt. I'm gonna go and get another one later, but I just wanna finish the install. So I put a zip tie for now to hold the bracket, and then I got the other bolt here. So now you're gonna slide the third brake light, and you're gonna put the bolt from the back right here, that hole, and the lower hole right here, so you can hold the tail brake light doesn't fall. Alright, let's do that. Alright guys, as you can see I already put the bolt and the other bolt over here, so time to wire everything up, and that's it. Also guys, if you know what kind of exhaust, it's like Hasselblad exhaust is this one, let me know in the comment please, because I don't know. I really like the way it sounds and everything, but I don't know which one is it, if it's the nameless or I don't know. If you know which one is it, please let me know in the comments. Alright, so to wire everything up, we have to remove this part right here. We have 3 pop clips. You can do it with the screwdriver. So yeah, let's take that out. I already removed the 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. And no, I wasn't able to take it out without breaking them. So be careful. I'll break all 3 of them. But yeah, just I don't know. I couldn't do it with the screwdriver, so I used the pry and just rip it off. But yeah, now that is removed, you have to come here. You only need to remove, after you finish removing this, you only need to remove 3 of the clips. 1 over here, 1 down here, 1 more that I forgot what it was, but that allows you to reach to the tail light harnesses right there. Alright, after you find the tail light harness, I don't want to make a hole on the car, so what I did is it has like a rubber. Let me turn on the light for you guys. Right here, it got like a rubber, so you push it in hard and it just fall out like this one. This is like a rubber. You can just push it hard and it just fall on the bunker on the bottom. So I'm gonna wire everything through that hole so I don't have to make a new hole. Alright, so you're gonna take your harness and the white part, you're gonna put it through that hole right there, because that's the one that's gonna connect to the tail brake light. Just put it in. Alright. And then go underneath and connect it. Alright guys, so if you didn't buy the plug and play harness, I really recommend you could do it because it's way easier than what I'm doing right now. I regret not buying that, but if you buy that, it's way easier. If not, then the way you're gonna do it is the red wire on your harness, the tail light harness, connect to the brown wire on the tail light harnesses. Right? The blue wire of the tail brake light harness goes to the black with white stripe wire of the tail light harness. Right? You can see here. And then you have to find a place for the ground, so I connect it right here. I think that's perfect. Okay. The way I do it, I cut the wire a little bit, the tape, to open it, and then I peel the wire a little bit with the knife, and then I just put it all together. Don't leave it like this, guys. You have to put black electric tape on it so you don't get the car on fire or something. So make sure you put tape individually, like on this wire and this wire, and then put tape around it. But yeah, other than that, you just plug it in. Alright, so once you put the tape on it and everything, you're done, pretty much done. There it is. Now let me show you how it looks on.
You
guys, there you have it, the 12 brake light. I don't know why they say it's a 12 brake light because we got 4 actually. But yeah, there you have it, easy install. Let me take out the keys. Yeah, no. So thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
There's a lot of content coming out for my Subaru and my 335i. So if you haven't done it already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, right?
Yeah.
And give it a like.
Yeah.
Alright, so if you like it, give it a like and make sure to subscribe before you leave the channel, alright?
And subscribe my channel.
Right. See you on the next video.
Bye.